So today we are going to show here how to convert a given number directly. That is, we have suppose 28 number. So it is very difficult for the students to do the conversion step by step. So I will show you the shortcut method. So 28 is a number, so which is to be converted into the binary number. So what you have to do is you write down the binary base system is what 2. So 2 raised to 0 from right hand side, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. Now the equivalent of this is how much? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. It is so on like this. So the given number is a 28. The given number is 28. First you need to check the number which is nearest to 28 are exactly equal to 28. So it should not be the greater than 28. So the exactly there is no equivalent 28 in this number. So what you have to do is take less than 28. So less than 28 is 16. So 16, under 16 you write down 1, below it 1. So remaining number is 12. 16 plus 12 is 28. So we have a 28 here. So we have represented 28 first by 16. So remaining is 12. Now we have to check for 12. So remaining number after subtraction is 12. So 12 is also not there. So we less than 12 is 8. Put 1 again under 8. So it will be how much? 4. Again you have to check for another number, that is 4. So we have the 4 already, then you can place 1. So remaining, that is digits, you have to place the zeros. 0, 0. So this is how you are going to get the equivalent number in the binary form whenever you you want to do the shortcut method. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 is the equivalent of the 28 number, which is very easy to find out. And like this you can directly do any conversion of the decimal number system to binary system. So to get more videos, please subscribe to Pace Academy GLB channel. Thank you.